Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be seeing how to create a gitignore file. But before we go there, let's discuss why gitignore file is created. Gitignore file is created to ignore any of the file and folder getting committed to the Git itself. Why I want to do this? Sometimes you want to ignore any of the bin file, you want to ignore any temporary files or the log files being committed to the Git itself. So how I can do that? I will create a git ignore file. I will mention the file names and folder names which need to be ignored. So let's quickly look into how we can create a git ignore file. I've opened a project. I will right click here in the root directory. I will add a file named .git ignore. Now I will be adding the file and the folder names which I want to ignore from getting committed. So first we can mention is not module slash. So any of the files and folder which is kept under not underscore modules, it will be ignored. I can ignore any of the log files. I can I can ignore any of the temporary files. I can ignore complete log folder itself, or I can ignore any of the test results which are generated, or any of the HTML files. So when you add this content while committing, Git will check the ignore file, git ignore file, and it will see what are the different files and folder which it need to ignore from commit. So if it is mentioned there, it will not be committing any of those files and folders. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give a thumb up.